MIST stock analysis tomorrow, Wednesday and onward. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Yeah, Milestone Pharmaceuticals is absolutely being cooked. It's not looking good. This is how my chart's looking like. I don't know if I made a chart yesterday on this. Seems like I don't, which for some weird, I don't know, for some weird reason why not, but okay, this is where we are. What I'm gonna stick to is through my strategy that I've tested for 39,000 videos, because this is how much videos I have done, and I have more proof than anyone else in this space. I've documented, by the way, everything on this YouTube channel. And honestly, I don't even think that I'm even gonna trade this, because what the hell is this price action? Yeah, my bias is bearish, but we also have a big gap above, so really not enough data for me to work with, so I'm not trading it whatsoever, just observing. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free sauce.